You know what's better than holding crypto? Putting it to work in DeFi and watching it multiply like rabbits on a bull run. But before you yeet your precious coins into the next guaranteed 2000% APY protocol some guy shilled on Twitter, let's talk about how not to get absolutely wrecked in DeFi. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm the owner and operator of the MALU staple on Cardano and a lover of all things crypto. And if you want to see more content like this, please consider delegating to my MALU pool or to me as a Cardano DRep. I've left the links in the description down below. Impermanent loss is probably one of the trickiest ones to get your head around, and sometimes it may not even be obvious to you that you have suffered loss at all. Impermanent loss is most commonly experienced on AMM or automated market maker DEXs. When you provide liquidity into a liquidity pool on an AMM, you generally provide two tokens in amounts of equal value. Let's say $100 worth of a stable coin and $100 worth of ADA. And to simplify this example, let's just pretend ADA is at $1. So now you hold 100 stable coins and 100 ADA. But now let's say the price of ADA goes up to $2. So now people start buying ADA from the pool and selling stable coins into it. And since the AMM always rebalances to maintain a 50-50 value ratio of both tokens, the liquidity pool now holds more stablecoins and less ADA, since ADA went up to $2. And for you as a liquidity provider, you will now also hold more stablecoins and less ADA. So in this example, you would now hold 142 stablecoins and 71 ADA. You would think, hey, cool, I now have $142 of stablecoins and $142 worth of ADA, so I have made $84. But if you had simply held onto your ADA and stablecoins, you would have $100 in stablecoins and $200 in ADA, meaning you actually missed out on gains by providing liquidity instead of just holding the tokens. And if ADA drops, you end up holding more of a cheaper token. If it goes up, like in this example, you miss out on gains. Impermanent just means that you have not made the loss real yet by withdrawing the liquidity from the pool and locking in that loss. The price of ADA could always go back down to $1 and you would be back to holding 100 stablecoins and 100 ADA. If you want to do the math yourself, you'll just have to use the formula for automated market makers. I have left a website for the math in the description. Slippage happens when there isn't enough liquidity in the pool to handle the size of your trade without significantly moving the price. Another word for this is price impact. So let's say you try to swap $10,000 worth of stablecoins to buy 10,000 ADA. And let's again assume ADA is currently priced at $1. So you would expect to get 10,000 ADA, but if the DEX doesn't have enough liquidity, your large trade causes the price of ADA on the DEX to increase, say up to $1.05, as the AMM tries to maintain an equal value of both tokens in the pool. Because the price moved while you were trading, you only end up with around 9,500 ADA instead of 10,000. And that $500 difference, that's slippage, the cost of moving the market with your own trade. And there we have it. Impermanent loss and slippage are two of the biggest pitfalls in DeFi, but if you know what to look out for, you'll be just fine. If you found this video helpful, please consider delegating to my MALU pool or to me as a Cardano DRep. Links are in the description down below. Stay safe and don't forget to keep being awesome. Bye!